Lesson 5-4, Example 2. Our objective is learning to regroup mixed numbers in order to subtract. So Lily is making a quilt. She needs 15 yards of fabric. If she has 2 3/4 yards of fabric, how many more yards does she need? Well, here's what will be with the total. She has 2 3/4. If I take that away from the total that she needs, I'll find out how much she needs. So if I take that from the total overall, I'll find out how much she needs. So 15 minus 2 3/4. Well, I want to take this so I have some fractions to look at. So I'm going to take my 15 and I'm going to do a little regrouping. I'm going to take a whole out of here and I'm going to think about that whole as fourths. So I'm going to think of this as 14 and 4/4. 4/4 is equal to 1, and 1 plus 14 is 15. So just a different way of thinking about that same number. I'm going to keep this the same, 2 3/4. So now when I look at this problem, 14 4/4 minus 2 3/4, now I have fractions subtracting fractions. 4/4 minus 3/4 is 1/4, and 14 minus 2 is 12. So I know that Lily will need 12 1/4 yards of fabric in order to meet her need of 15 yards. Well, let's say that Lily uses 11 1/6 yards of fabric. How much of the 15 yards will she have left? So let's say she actually starts with 15 yards and she uses up 11 1/6 of those. We want to know how much she'll have left. So we have a subtraction problem. Well, again, here I have these fractions being taken away from just wholes. And I'm going to think of my whole here, 15, again as 14. And I want to think of that other whole to get to 15 as a fraction. In this case, we're subtracting out sixths. So I'm going to think of it as 6/6. So I have 11 1/6. So I have 14 and 6/6 subtracting out 11 1/6. 6/6 minus 1/6 is 5/6. And 14 minus 11 is 3. So Lily will end up at 3 5/6 yards of fabric left.